Sprinklr is a popular choice for social media management and analytics, but before making the decision to buy, there are a few key things you need to know. In this video, we'll take you through 12 important points to consider when thinking about using Sprinklr and how it stacks up against competitors like Hootsuite and Buffer. By the end, you'll know exactly whether this tool is the right fit for your needs. First thing, Sprinklr is a comprehensive platform designed for enterprise-level social media management. Unlike other tools like Hootsuite, which are more focused on smaller businesses, Sprinklr offers a robust set of features aimed at large teams and complex operations. This makes it ideal if you're managing multiple brands or large-scale campaigns across various channels. Next thing, Sprinklr offers great analytics and reporting tools. You'll get detailed insights into your social media performance, and their reporting is highly customizable, which sets it apart from competitors like Buffer, which offers more basic analytics. However, these features come at a cost, as Sprinklr's pricing is on the higher end of the spectrum. The third thing, Sprinklr integrates well with other enterprise software solutions like Salesforce and Microsoft Dynamics, which is a big plus if you're already using those tools. This gives you a centralized view of your marketing efforts, but it's something that might not be as seamless with simpler tools like Hootsuite or Buffer. Next thing, Sprinklr's interface can be overwhelming for beginners. While it has a lot of power under the hood, the learning curve is steeper than other platforms like Buffer, which prides itself on its user-friendly design. If you're a small business or just getting started with social media management, Sprinklr might require a bit more time to get up to speed. The fifth thing, Sprinklr offers advanced AI-powered features that help with social listening and customer engagement. This is a standout feature for brands looking to monitor customer sentiment and respond quickly. However, tools like Hootsuite Streams or Buffer's engagement options might be simpler for those who don't need that level of depth. The sixth thing, Sprinklr is highly customizable. You can tailor it to fit your organization's unique needs, whether it's managing user permissions, workflows, or content approval processes. This level of customization might be more than what some smaller teams need, especially when compared to Buffer's streamlined approach. The seventh thing, Sprinklr has an excellent customer support team. Whether you need help with setup or troubleshooting, their support is responsive and knowledgeable, which is a key differentiator compared to some competitors like Hootsuite, where customer support has received mixed reviews. Next thing, the platform's publishing tools are flexible, with scheduling and approval workflows that are well-suited for large teams. If you have multiple people collaborating on social media posts, Sprinklr allows you to streamline the process. However, platforms like Buffer focus on making the publishing process easier and faster, which might appeal to smaller teams with less complexity. The ninth thing, Sprinklr's social listening capabilities are top tier. You can track brand mentions, industry trends, and competitor activities with ease. This sets it apart from simpler tools that focus more on scheduling and basic analytics, like Hootsuite or Buffer. Next, if you're running paid social media ads, Sprinklr's integration with paid media management is an advantage. It allows you to manage organic and paid content in one place, which isn't as seamless with some other tools. If paid ads are a significant part of your strategy, this is a big plus. The 11th thing, pricing is a major consideration. Sprinklr can get quite expensive, especially for smaller businesses. The platform is geared more toward large enterprises, so it may not be the best value if you're running a smaller operation. In contrast, platforms like Buffer and Hootsuite offer more budget-friendly options for smaller teams. The 12th thing, while Sprinklr excels in a lot of areas, it might be overkill if you don't need all the features it offers. For those looking for a more basic solution, Sprinklr's complexity might be a turn-off. If you're a small business or just need something simpler, there are plenty of other options like Buffer that offer a more straightforward experience. To sum up, Sprinklr is a powerful and flexible social media management tool, but it's not for everyone. If you're running a large organization with complex needs, it's definitely worth considering. However, if you're looking for something simpler or more cost-effective, there are better options out there. If you're looking for a better solution, check out our recommended tool, which you can try for free.